Hey guys, welcome to a very special episode of Scratch That. Today we are going to make mini meatloaves and mashed potatoes, and we are going to make it in less than 30 minutes. Let's get it! Hey guys, let's make some meatloaf. So I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef here, and now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Oh yes, 1 tablespoon of sweet raised honey barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like, but gotta have honey barbecue. Now I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of Panko breadcrumbs. A 1/2 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and you already know, gotta have the spice, 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, Cajun style, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. I couldn't do the little fancy egg trick, so just cracked in 1 egg. One day I'll learn, and just mix it all up. And guys, I forgot to add the pepper, so I went back and added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it all up. Okay, so now I just have a tablespoon. I'm going to scoop this into my cupcake tin. Okay, that's ready. Pop that in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and start on the sauce. I have a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Use any ketchup that you guys like. 1/8 cup, you already know, honey barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 more teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And guys, just go ahead and use a whisk and stir that all together. Okay, the sauce is done. I'm going to go ahead and do my instant mashed potatoes. I have 2 cups of chicken broth that I'm going to pour in my bowl here. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Put that in the microwave and let that cook for 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. The meatloaf is ready. And I'm going to go ahead and put the sauce on top. Now, make sure you guys use this sauce sparingly because I almost ran out. But thank God we made it. Made it, y'all. So, had enough sauce for all of the meatloaf. And you just want to put this back in the oven and let it cook 375 degrees, 10 minutes. Alright, so I pulled that chicken broth out of the microwave and I'm adding in my instant mashed potatoes. I use the buttery homestyle Idaho potatoes, but you can use whatever brand you like. I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and stir that in there. And I'm just going to sprinkle some black pepper on top. It's really however much you guys like. I mean, don't go crazy, but just go for it. And stir that up. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter just on top. And you already know, razzle dazzle, parsley right on top. You can add whatever you want though. Sour cream, chives, cheese, green onions, whatever you like on your potatoes. Look at those, you guys. I'm entangled with these potatoes. So I cooked 2 strips of bacon in my air fryer and put these in my bowl. I just have a regular can of French style green beans. And I'm gonna add in a little garlic powder because the bacon's gonna give it the salt and the flavor. And then I'm gonna add in a little pepper and some butter and just stir all of that up. And you just wanna let this cook in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, the time has come. You guys, it was so delicious. It was sweet, it was spicy, it was savory. It was everything I would want my meatloaf to be. Please let me know in the comments if you guys like this recipe, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.